Hello folks, let me see right there. I gotta take all these pills. If I had a little shot glass, it's like first round. Oh, always fun when I have to take a couple of handfuls of pills. I can't digest all of them at the same time because I tend to throw up. Okay, first thing, thank you to Alma, okay, and Kevin. Hope your Christmas is fine. Yeah, I always enjoy that. Has to be the lone penguin. Okay, and second thing is I gotta thank for David. Right here, I did do an opening of unboxing live on Will Russell's channel, just in time prepping. Okay, everybody was there, so please go check out Cat Patton's family compound and check out his giveaway rules. You have to do 3. Watch 3 videos of his. Tell him that Uncle Alan sent you over there. Everybody goes over there. Watch those 3 videos. Tell him Uncle Alan sent you over there. Great, pills are trying to come up. Tell him that you've seen it. Go over there. Check it out. All right. First thing, I have to thank David for sending me this. Okay. Thank you, David. That's David Lynn. Check out his channel. Sign up and watch 3 of his videos. Leave a nice comment because remember, the AI is watching you, kids. All right. And you think, oh, I'm stupid. You got $42,000 for being stupid? Okay. And we're going to do a separate video of me eating this. I'll open it up and I'll show David. It's just going to be a video for David. I'll be eating one of these. Thank God it isn't eggs. I hate the egg ones. Okay. What else we got? We got this one. And it's all little packages of aspirin and adhesive stomach medication doses. It's a nice medication dosage pack. That's good. Everything's up to date. I did double check it. Now, I have to be careful because some of these I cannot take because my liver, my kidneys, and my heart. But I have other people in my group or know that can take these. So they're fine with that. And I did get the Ink Crank radio. Thank you very much, David. Now, nice thing being a prepper, and I support preppers. Uncle Alan's an old, cranky old survivalist from the old days. Also a con man, but more survivalist. Anyway, see that, folks? Okay, and I did pull it out. Let's pull it out. We got this modern doohickey plugs, UBS plugs, I think they call them. And I got the adapters. And let's see what this is. A solar charged. You can charge it with the sun, or you can hand crank it. We do have radio here. See that? Only problem is most of my stations around here, except for the AM radios, it's in Spanish or it's all talk. And they took down my old 70s oldies moldies kind of radio that I like to listen from 58 to, wait, was it 52? 1952 to about 68 or 70 kind of music. They all took it down and replaced it with rap and stuff like that. I'm old. I don't like rap. I don't like hip hop. I know hip hop. Name the 3 creators of hip hop. One was, you got it, Madonna. Second one, famous rapper. You should all know it. You name the other 2 and you tell Uncle Alan. Okay? Now, Uncle Alan's getting old and getting tired. You know, you guys got little or no attention span. Just getting old. Yeah, let's see. Does it work? Oh, yeah. Light works. I've been charging it earlier this morning and the sun does work. So let's put this all back in here. They do have a nice instruction book. I'll be probably passing this on to Galvin. And if Galvin has one, you should pass it on to the next person. Because that's the nice thing to do. Always be nice and polite and kind. Of course, a lot of people don't do that. A lot of people make mistakes, or they act tough or macho, or they tell wrong kind of information, or they're just plain crazy or grouchy or have PSTD. And we know what the D stands for. Now, I do thank David. Okay, a first aid kit. Now this is good because I have family members that always gets like in trouble, and this will help them out. They burned through my last one. If you have grandkids or grandnephews and nieces, you need one of these. And I always tell people to have one. Now, I still have to do my bolt bag first aid measures. Okay, because a lot of people are, I won't say the stupid word because a lot of people complained about, Uncle, I'm using the stupid word a lot. Well, there's a lot of stupid people out there. And Uncle Alan's getting smaller and smaller and smaller every year. Okay? So anyway, thank you very much, David. This will all be towards good use. Uncle Alan's a little slow, a little tired. I still got to do my paperwork for medical for, let's see, pain and brain. Uncle Alan's nuts. I got to do paperwork for brain and pain because the cloud lost my paperwork again. Great. Not once, not twice, the 3rd time. So Uncle Alan doesn't trust digital or electronics. Okay, Uncle Alan's kind of tired. So I'll catch you later, folks.